Joining us is Teva Pharma CEO Richard Francis. Richard, welcome back. Good to have you.
Thank you, Sarah. Great to be back. Looking forward to the chat.
Yeah, so I mean, how much of the momentum is built around this generic obesity drug?
Well, what I'm pleased to say, I mean, the 11% growth we saw for the quarter, you can't really attribute to one thing, the GLP-1 included. We saw our business grow across our innovative pipeline with Austedo at 32%, Ajovy at 12%. We saw our generics business grow globally at 14%, and as you said, 16% in the US. And our API business, TAPI, grew at 5%. So I'm really pleased that the whole portfolio of our businesses are growing. Now, to answer your question on GLP-1, yeah, that came in right at the tail end of the quarter. So we did get a bit of benefit from that, but literally it was only in the last few days. So not much was attributed to that. The majority, I think, was attributed to our performance on our innovative business. And as I've said, Austedo at 32%, and our generics business as a whole, which is performing more consistently than it has done in recent years.
I mean, it's quite a turnaround that you pulled out, this pivot to growth strategy that you're talking about. But clearly the market is excited about this generic injectable medication. It's being used to treat diabetes right now. So what are you seeing as far as early take up and demand? And are you going to move to make it broader and to go after obesity as well?
So I think, we're pleased that we've been able to launch this, we're the first to the market. And I think that just shows the focus that we put behind this company with Pivot to Growth, that when we see assets that we think could drive value for the company, as well as the healthcare systems, we focus and we bring them to the market as fast as possible. We've done that with this GLP-1 Victoza. And yeah, we see opportunity within this. Obviously, the way the market is and the fact that it'll be used to replace the brand means it'll be used under the indications of the brand. So I think predominantly this will be used for diabetes. But for us, as we look about the other generics we have to launch in the next 2 quarters, we have more complex generics coming. So that allows us to, I think, maintain our growth. And that's what allowed us to give this guidance lift for the year. And that guidance was on revenue and EBITDA and EPS. And the other thing I'd highlight is this is our 6th consecutive quarter of good growth. So I think, as you highlighted, Sarah, we have had a challenging past at Teva, but the last year we really turned around the business with our new strategy, and we're consistently delivering, whether that be our generics or whether that be our innovative business, which, as I said, is being led by this really strong growth of Austedo.
We do want to get to that, but one last bit on the GLP market as a whole, Richard. I wonder, do you think it's being misunderstood either on the over or the under? And also, I wonder, we have conversations even today about dining habits and whether they're being buffeted by adoption of these types of drugs already. I wonder if you think it has that kind of critical mass yet.
As in the impact of GLP-1s on obesity, and then the impact on sort of behaviors of people in the population. Is that what you mean, Carl?
Yeah, exactly.
I think it's probably, and I'm not an expert in this area. We've just brought the product to the market. I think that's one to maybe ask the companies who are promoting the GLP-1. I think for me, it's quite early in their adoption for you to see those sort of macro impacts, but I'd maybe lean over and ask the guys who have launched those products to get a more accurate answer. I think for us, what we do know is obesity and diabetes is increasing significantly across the world. And so the need for GLP-1, a generic GLP-1, definitely is there, and that will continue to be there for the foreseeable future.